I'm dealing here 10th class climate of India lesson. So do you all know climate of India? Do you all know climate? So we particularly learn about the climate of India in this topic. Let us start. The state of atmospheric condition over an area at a particular point of time refers to weather. We are always saying today climate is not good. Today weather is not good. What is the difference between climate and weather? So here climate and weather, the state of atmospheric condition over an area at a particular point of time refers to weather. Means it in the 1 hour the changes. Means some example, morning sunny. We observe that climate is sun, weather is sunny. Now it is little bit cloudy. So this is the weather we are talking. So coming to the climate. Climate, variation of weather in a region over a long period. See here the difference is climate refers to variation of a particular area over a long period of time. That may refers to the climate. That is the difference between the climate and weather. Weather is nothing but it changes fluctuating weather conditions within a point of time. But climate is not like that. It takes a long time of period. That is the climate. That is the difference between weather and climate. Let us see the elements of weather and climate. See here weather and elements and see what are the main elements here? Temperature, atmosphere, humidity, pressure, winds, etc. These all are the elements of weather and climate. What are the elements of weather and climate? Humidity, pressure, winds, precipitation and atmospheric pressure and temperature. These are the elements of weather and climate. Let us see in this pattern of these elements for a place to be shown using the pictures called demography. We are having here the demographics. So we are showing the weather conditions and temperature condition of a particular area. We are showing the in a bar graphs. This we call it as climographs. This is called it as climographs. This climograph shows the average monthly value of maximum and minimum temperature and rainfall for a given year of an area. So maximum and minimum temperature and rainfall of a given area, that we refers to a climograph. Let us see, climatograph shows the temperature and rainfall in a different parts of the country. They are showing different parts of the country, showing the average temperature and rainfall. Now coming to the factors affecting the climates and weather. Factors influencing the climate and weather. So first one, we are discussing about latitudes. Latitudes, a distance from the equator. We all have know latitudes. Latitudes are a circles. So the average temperature for the year drops as we go further away from the equator for the region. We direct region as an earth. So we are having three different zones. One is tropical zone and one is temperate zone, one is polar zone. Tropical region close to the equator. Tropical regions are close to the equator. So these are the tropical regions. You remember these are the tropical regions which are close to the equator. See, this is close to the equator. Whereas polar region, do you all know polar regions? These are close to the poles. These are the close to the poles, North Pole and South Pole. Coming to the temperate zone, as between these two extremes, means clearly. So, latitudes are imaginary lines on the Earth's surface that all are of equal distance from north or south of equator. The lines of the Earth's surface that all are of equal distance north to south of equator. Lines of the latitudes are not circles of the surface. See, here the circle is small. So all are not equal. The circles are not equal in size. The angle of which sunlight strikes the earth which varies by location. Whenever the sun rays are hit this earth's surface, not as same. But because there is a variation. See here, Tropic of Cancer gives some more heat and here very little. Why? Because the earth is rotating. It is constantly moving. So the angle which the sunlight strikes earth varies by the location. There is a variation between the location to get the sunlight. That is the thing of this latitude. So time and day and seasons are important factor in the amount of heat energy received any location of the globe. So there is a minimum time they take to heat the surface. So and location of a globe thus determine the climate of a region. So here the temperature is more intense in the low latitude than in highlands. So the temperature intense also differences in low latitudes and high latitudes. The temperature is more intense in low and high latitudes as we move away from the equator. As we move away from the equator towards the pole, the average annual temperature decreases. Here the temperature is decreases. Why? Because we are moving to the polar region, isn't it? Yes. So this region has higher average temperature than north part. So the one region for climate of Kanyakumari being extremely different from Bhopal of Delhi. Yes, it's absolutely different variation. They are in high place, some are in low latitudes. Clear everyone? India is situated roughly between 80 degrees north and 37 degrees northern latitude, and Tropic of Cancer divided the country into almost, you see, the Tropic of Cancer divide the earth into two equal parts. Country divided into two equal parts. The Tropic of Cancer divide the country into two equal parts. One is the part of the southern tropic. What do we call the Tropic of Cancer? Top of the Tropic of Cancer lies in tropical zone. This is a tropical zone. The part of south of tropical zone lies in the tropical zone. The part of north of the Tropic of Cancer lies in temperate zone. See, this is south zone, this is north zone. So this is temperate zone and this is tropical zone. The equator divides the Tropic of Cancer divides the country into two equal parts. One is the part of the south of Tropic of Cancer lies in tropical zone. The part of north of the Tropic of Cancer lies in the temperate zone. Remember this point. Coming to land-water relationship. Land-water relationship. So, which has influence on climate, that is land and water relationship. The amount of sunlight that is first observed and radiated. See, whatever the amount of sunlight is radiated from the earth's surface and they reflected to the back again. And the reflected to back directly depends upon the nature of surface. Depend upon the surface, they are reflected back. Darker areas such as darker areas that are heavily vegetated regions tend to be a good observers. So wherever the vegetation is more, there is a good conductor of observer. Light areas such as snow and ice covered area to be get reflected. Why? Because in snow areas, they are covered with snow areas, the sunlight are reflected back again. So this affects climate in many ways. So that's why the effect of climate changes in many ways. So water absorbs and loss heat more fastly than the land. Water absorbs, they are heated more very fast and they cool very fast than the land. So this affects climate in many ways. One is formation of land and sea breezes. When it will be happens means when become the sea breezes. So a large part of southern India, because its long coastal line comes under the moderating influence of the sea. Whatever we are in India, we are having long coastal line. So we are moderating this climate of situations. As such, the differences between the temperature of the day and night and the summer and winter is not much. There is no variation because of we are having a long coastal line, so there is no variation in day and night. This is known as equable climate. So that's why we call it, that climate situation is called it as equable climate. Why? Because day and night are in same climate situation. There is no change. In summer and winter also there is no variation. So that climate we will call it as equable climate. So upper atmospheric pressure circulations in northern hemisphere, whatever the half we call it as northern hemisphere, high pressure beds give rise to permanent winds. Whatever their high beds give rise to permanent winds. Wherever they are coming the winds, that winds we call it as permanent winds. That winds we call it as permanent winds. So the German word, here we are using the German word trade. Trade is nothing but track. Means it's steadily some directions and constantly course. The Indian subcontinent lies in this region of northeasterlish wind. The northeasterlish wind. The climate of India is also affected by movement of upper air currents known as jet streams. Whatever we are using the air currents, that we call it as jet streams. Upper air currents is known as jet streams. Fast flowing and narrow air currents are called jet streams. Whatever the fast flowing and narrow air currents is known as jet streams. The streams flows at high altitudes at the above 1000 meters. Their speed varies from about 110 kilometers per hour in summer and 194 kilometers per hour in winter. There is a variation. See, 110 kilometers per hour in summer and 184 kilometers per hour in winter. Clear everyone? Yes. See, as easterly jet streams develop at about 25 degrees north, they are in the eastern jet streams are developed here 25 degrees of north. They developed in 25 degrees of north. Jet causes the neighboring atmosphere cool. So that's why these areas they get the cool. So this cooling effect, easterly jet stream causes rain from clouds already formed over the latitude. So that's these air brings the clouds and then after they get the rains. That is the thing.